Very good morning to all. Sorry, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. I hope I'm audible right now to you all. Very good afternoon to you all. And I hope I'm audible right now. Arun, good afternoon. And Kamtam Deepak, good afternoon. Dr. Gautam, good afternoon. And Rowdy's girl, good afternoon. Swarna, good afternoon. Ravi, good afternoon. I hope I'm audible right now to you. I hope I'm audible right now. Very good afternoon to one and all. If I'm audible in the sense, please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. Yeah. So without delay, I'm going to enter this particular session. Hello everyone. This is Philip from Pantech e-learning. And I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with Pantech e-learning anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always supportive to the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. I welcome you all this particular session. We are going to discussing about today that AI overview and also some of the application in real time. Okay, are you guys excited to get into this particular session? Are you guys excited? I hope you guys are so much excited to continue this particular session. If you guys are excited, means please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. So today I'm going to discussing with you that the artificial intelligence and also the machine learning overview. This is completely interesting session. I hope I will be making that. But I need some support from you guys. Will you do that for me? Will you do that? Yeah. So I'm expecting that several support from you. So before entering the session, I will be telling you one thing. I want to make my session as an interesting way and also the interactive way. If you guys are so much excited to continue this particular session in the sense, please interact with me and make my session as an interactive and also the interesting session as well. That is the most important thing. Okay, so please be interactive and please be engaged in the command box. Why? Because of I'm talking in front of the laptop, so only the medium is actually command box. So I want to talk it to you by the command box. If I'm asking any question to you, please answer me in chat box right now. Okay, right. So my first question, if you guys are so much excited in the sense, please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. Please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. After that, we are going to continue this particular session. So please giving energetic things which is engaged in the command box. Then only it will be more easy to continue this particular session as the same energy level. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to enter this particular topic. So here, yeah. So now that rowdy girl is started. Okay, whatever. So no problem. Please engage in the chat box. But don't make some funniest things here. So just make it useful, engage the command box. Okay, that is the most important thing. If you guys are making useful, engage the session in this, that will be more useful for all the other things. So that is the most important thing, right? Yeah. Before entering this kind of the topic, so I'm going to discussing with you the several things of artificial intelligence technology. So most of the people knows about the artificial intelligence technology very well, right? So maybe some of the people don't know about the artificial intelligence technology. Try to understand 15 years before, what about the facility for the human? Human is not ready to adapt the several things. Human is not ready to get into the technology. Why? Because of we don't have a smartphone like this. Now every people having this kind of the smartphone and every human being having used this kind of the smartphone and they are using the artificial intelligence technology right now. For example, day by day we are using this particular technology. Am I right? Are you agreed that day by day we are using this particular technology? For example, we are a user of Instagram, we are a user of YouTube, we are a user of Facebook, we are a user of Snapchat. We are a user of Google Pay. So for the best example for the technical and also the technology evaluation, digital transaction. So 10 years or 15 years before, can you imagine? So we are not familiar in the digital transaction. But now everyone is using the Google Pay and also the Phone Pay, Paytm, like that. How it can be possible? Because of the technology evaluation. When you are going to using the GPay or phone pay, you can transact anything to anywhere. To transact one place into another place, of course it can be possible. No need to go to the bank right now, because 15 years before we need to go to the bank and transact the money, and we are using the raw money day by day. We don't think so, these particular the digital transactions may not be possible to do that. But now the people are very adaptive that particular digital transaction right now. So that is why we can call it as Digital India right now. And example, Aadhaar card. The Indian government, they are collecting each and every personality's personal details. For example, when you are going to using this particular the thumb, it will be shows all the details of you. When you are going to enter the Aadhaar card number, that will be give all the details of you. How it can be possible? Because of this particular technology. Why it is not comes 10 years before or 15 years before? Because of the technology. Now we are very adaptive in this particular technology, and the Indian government has collected all the technologies, all the details for each and every person with the help of the one particular Aadhaar medium. For example, they have collected the thumb, they have collected the the eye detail, and then they have collected the address, several things. Now, one thing you have to understand, when you are going to enter the Aadhaar card number, it will be shows all the details of yours. How many accounts you have. You are eligible for credit card. You are not eligible for credit card. It can be possible once you are going to use the one particular Aadhaar card detail. How it can be possible, guys? Of course, it can be possible with the help of these particular technology right now. And try to understand, maybe you people are thinking we are in a privacy world. No. Day by day, they are collecting the data from us. For example, you are a user of Netflix or Instagram or Amazon Prime. Each and everything, they have collected the detail from us. Then how we can become in the privacy world? It is not possible, no? Are you agreed that? We are not in privacy world. Why? Because we are getting into the artificial intelligence world, and we are very adaptive in this particular technology right now. So how we can enter the privacy world? We are not in the privacy world. Try to understand. Maybe some of the people thinks we are in a privacy world. Of course it is not. Indian government has collected all the detail each and every citizenship in India. Without Aadhaar card, you can't live in India. Without Aadhaar card, you are not an Indian. How? They have collected the data for each and every human in this particular country. They have collected because of this particular technology. Now you can transact the money by one single application with the help of these particular smartphone. How it can be possible? Because of these particular application. You can watch all the the videos related to past history. Of course, it can be possible with the help of artificial intelligence technology, with the help of these particular single devices. Try to understand, when you are going to start using the smartphone, you are a user of artificial intelligence technology. How many people knows about this? We are a user of artificial intelligence technology, and we are very comfortable with that particular technology. For example, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Snapchat. All the applications are integrated with the AI. Maybe you people are thinking that, for example, artificial intelligence is like a robot or Terminator. Not much like that. That is also the one kind of part in artificial intelligence. But every day we are using these particular devices. You are also user of artificial intelligence technology. How many people knows about this? If you guys are really understanding and really interesting to listening this particular story, please mention in the chat box, I agree, Philip. Please mention in the chat box, I agreed, Philip. Why? Because of this is the evaluation, technical evaluation, and this is the real factor, and this is the reality of the present scenario. How many people knows about this? You guys are ready to agree this particular point of which I discussed before? Please mention in the chat box right now. If you guys are agreed means please mention in the chat box. So most of the people knows, most of the people doesn't know about this. If you guys are really agreed my point in the sense, please mention in the chat box. Yes, Philip. Agreed, Philip. Right? So without delay, I'm going to entering this particular things. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial and also the intelligent. It is a two different word. What is the meaning of artificial? What is the meaning of intelligence? The human is going to be making the intelligent machine. That is nothing but artificial intelligent technology. We are giving some knowledge to the computer or machine that is nothing but the artificial intelligent technology. Right? And it having the several subsets. That is machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP. So majorly machine learning and also the deep learning is a major part of to tell the computer to that what is exactly presenting in this particular scenario of that. Okay, right. So you can see this one. Maybe you people are guys are getting a little more confused on the machine learning and also the deep learning and artificial intelligence. Try to understand. The artificial intelligence technology having the different kind of the subsets. Machine learning and also the deep learning, computer vision and also the NLP. The machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence technology and the deep learning is a subset of the machine learning technology. Both those technologies is majorly important for the artificial intelligence technology. Why? Because of we have to tell the computer. For an example, I can recognize Virat Kohli and also the Dhoni. I can recognize this is the cup. I can recognize this is the smartphone. And I can recognize this is the water bottle. How? Can you answer for this particular question? I can recognize this is mobile phone, this is a cup and this is a water bottle. How? And also I can recognize Virat Kohli and also the Dhoni. Can you please reply me in chat box guys because I need a more interaction from you. How I can recognize all the objects in front of me? Guys, please be reply because of if you guys are interactive in this, then only the session will be much more interesting things. Some of the people only giving the reply, but I don't want to make my session like this. So please be interactive. That is the most important things to continue the same energetic level. Please give your answer in chat box right now. With the help of okay. Because of LGD, we knows about it. Okay. So our recognition is not ML. Try to understand, Mr. Ravi Prakash. Okay. One more guy giving the answer. I don't understand what you're mentioning here. That's okay. If it is unwanted content in this particular command box in the sense, please remove it by yourself because of I don't need this kind of the content from you, Mr. Rowdy's girl. Okay. So please giving her some useful content here. So if you are mentioning some unwanted content in the sense, no problem. If you don't want to joining this particular session in the sense, just leave that, no problem. So this is an educational platform. If you guys are mentioning some unwanted content in the sense, that will be more disturbance for other participants. Also try to understand. Okay. So please. And yeah, we know their face and we know the object previously. That is actually good. I will tell you one thing. I can recognize Virat Kohli. I can recognize this water bottle and I can recognize this cup. Why? Because of I had several experience on these particular product. Also my mom or dad or my brother giving some information on this particular product and I had an experience on this particular product day by day. Then only I can recognize very easily because of my brain getting the some of the features of these particular product. Then only I can recognize because of I had an experience on every days of this particular product. I had an experience on every day this particular product. Then only I can recognize this is a water bottle and this is a like the cup. Because of our past experience only we can recognize easily. And one more thing, we knows the feature of the water bottle, and we knows the feature of the Virat Kohli, and we knows the feature of the cup. Then only we can recognize easily in the future. In the same way, the computer also can recognize water bottle, the computer also can recognize the cup, and the computer also can recognize the smartphone in the sense that is nothing but the artificial intelligence technology. That means artificial intelligence is a common name of the several technologies. It can be possible with the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning. I had an experience on this particular product. Why? Because of some of my past experience only it can be possible. Because if someone gives the information to me, then I learned and then I had an experience. In the same way, the computer also can learn from the several data. With the help of the past data, we can train the computer. For an example, the water bottle having the several features. Based on the several features only, we are going to feed the information to the computer. That is nothing but the machine learning. With the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning, we can give the information, we can teach the machine with the help of that particular machine learning algorithm and also the deep learning algorithm. So we need a past data. We need some kind of the technology. Then only it can be possible. That is machine learning and also the deep learning. Okay? Yeah. Tawfiq Umar. Lunchtime. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you want to take a lunch in the sense, no problem. You can go to have the lunch. No problem. So we are not forcing to like just stay here. If you feel like so much hungry in the sense, please take your time to have lunch. Okay. Right. So now, what is AI? The artificial intelligence technology. In a one word, the computer is going to be learn something from the past data. That means in a single word, the artificial intelligence technology is nothing but the machine can be think, the machine can do new things. The artificial intelligence technology is a method of making the computer and the computer controlled robot, the software can think intelligent like human. It is nothing but the artificial intelligence technology will help to mimic like a human. The machine is going to be mimic like a human. Okay, so this is called the artificial intelligence technology. I will show the example, then only you can understand easily. The artificial intelligence technology is one kind of the booming technology in present scenario. It is one of the computer science department, and that is concerned with building a smart and also the intelligent machines. That means with the help of these particular technology, the machine is going to be can think, can making the decision, can do the new things with the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning. For an example, what is the meaning of the intelligent machine? What is the meaning of the non-intelligent machine? Non-intelligent machine in the sense, the machine can't do the new things. The machine can't making the decision. The machine can't do the new things. That means you can see this is actually analog watch. It is going to be do the like in the same working process day by day. It will not think, it will not taking the decision, it will not do the new things. What about the like that bike two-wheeler? This is also the same thing, but this bike can't taking the decision. But one more example, that is actually like in the Tesla car. That means these particular machine can taking the decision, can think, can do the new things. How? The Tesla car is the one of the biggest example for the artificial intelligence technology in present scenario. And also recently I heard one news from America. The US government, they introduced that automotive without driver, automotive car, they are like introduced for the customers usage. And I had watched the several videos on that. How it can be? It can be possible because of that particular machine can think. Can think means in front of the car. In front of the car, some of the object is there in the sense the car should think what is that exactly. After that the car should stop. That is the decision. And the car should wait for the 5 minutes after crossing that it is going to be do the new things. Try to understand what I'm saying. I hope you guys are watching this particular session. If you guys are really watching this particular session is an interesting way in the sense, please give your heart in comment box right now. Please give your heart in comment box right now. Okay, right. So the machine can do the new things. The machine can making the decision. The machine can think like a human in the sense that is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. The best example is actually Tesla car and also the Alexa Google Assistant. If you are going to say anything to the Alexa, it will be do that for me. It will do that for you. Right? So that is nothing but the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. If you guys are really enjoying this particular session, please give your heart in comment box right now. Yes. Yeah. How does it works? Okay, before of these particular that artificial intelligence technology, I will show the one of the example for the artificial intelligence technology. Artificial intelligence technology in the sense, the artificial intelligence technology thinks like a human and recognizing like a human, that it can be possible. How it can be recognized? With the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning. The machine learning and also the deep learning will help to train the computer with the help of the past data. That means, for an example, once you are going to recognize, the computer should recognize the water bottle. In the sense, they should collect the features for this particular water bottle. That is the data. After collecting the data, we should train the computer with the help of the machine learning or deep learning. The machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm is majorly help to train the or teach the computer with the help of the past data of this particular object. Okay, so I will show the example of these particular water bottle recognition or object recognition. So you can see this one. Yeah, now I'm going to show the output of these particular object recognition. So for an example, the human can recognize this particular water bottle. The human can recognize this is a smartphone. Okay, in the same way, the computer also can recognize the two different products. That is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. We can call it as object detection. That is one of the major important role in artificial intelligence technology. That is nothing but object detection with the help of the computer vision and also the deep learning. So I will show the example of these particular. That concept. So now I am going to run the code. Now the machine is going to be find what exactly presenting on this particular frame. So in this particular code going to be accessing the laptop camera. If I'm going to show the in front of the camera, the laptop can recognize this is cup. It can be possible. We know this is the cup, right? We know this is the cup. Based on the several features, the computer also can recognize this is the cup or like that, right? Are you guys ready to see the output of this one? Are you guys ready to see the output of this one? If you guys are ready means, please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. Guys, try to understand. I'm expecting more interaction from you. You guys are not much more interactive to me. So please reply me. Okay. If I'm asking any question to you in the sense, please reply. Why? Because I'm talking in front of the laptop right now. I'm talking for you. I'm sharing the knowledge to you. If you guys are not reply me in this, definitely the energy will going down because of I'm talking something. That's it. I'm talking for you. Try to understand. You people are please giving the response. Then only it can be possible to making the interesting session. Otherwise, it will be making boring. You people are feeling very hungry and you people don't want to see the session, right? So I don't want to make it that. Try to understand. So please give your reply in comment box. Thank you so much. I don't want to speak much more things on this. But you people are initiated to speak like this. It's okay, no problem. Right, and now I'm going to run this one and I can see this. The first one, the computer is going to be recognize me. Of course, this is the person. You can see this. And the chair is also recognized. You can see this one. Okay, this system. Yeah. Now it is a person. Now it is a person. It is going to be recognized. And little more object is detection. That is actually, yeah, just a minute. It is recognized, I thought. Okay, fine. So now, water bottle, we'll see. Mobile phone. It recognized the cell phone. The lighting is actually not good, so for that maybe it can't be recognized. Cell phone, you can see this person and cell phone. This is the best example for the artificial intelligence technology. The machine is recognized cell phone and also the person. Understood? Understood, guys? Person and also the cell phone, it is recognized right now. And we'll see the another product to show the information of the computer. We'll see it. Yeah, bottle. Yeah, it shows us actually like the little word similar to the yeah. So yeah, bottle. So computers recognize this is the bottle and also the person. Bottle and also the person, right? And I will show the some other objects, and you can see this one, cup. The computer is recognized cup. Already we knows about it. This is what all the product is this. We can recognize it easily. But when I am going to show the in front of the camera, it can be recognized in the sense that is nothing but the artificial intelligence technology. And behind the system, what all the technology is there? Computer vision is going to be accessing the camera and reading the camera and also the finding the object. And what is the object in this? That is the deep learning. Can you understand what I'm saying? So here we are using the two different technology. We are using the two different technology. One is computer vision, another one is a deep learning. The computer vision in this sense, it is going to be processing the digital images or digital videos. It is going to be accessing the camera. It is going to be like that recognizing that. So with the help of recognition, that is deep learning. For detecting the object, that is computer vision. Can I understand what I'm saying? Can I understand what I'm saying? I hope you guys are really enjoying this particular concept like that. Right? So this is nothing but artificial intelligence technology, guys. Hope you guys are really enjoying this one. So if it is pretty cool in the sense, please mention in the chat box cool film. Please mention in the chat box cool film. Now I will be like talking about this. How does it works? The computer actually can recognize this particular water bottle, right? How it can be? In the sense, we need to collecting the data for this. We need to collecting the data for this particular water bottle. Okay, that is the most important thing. So when you are going to collecting the data for this particular water bottle, so that is nothing but the data collection. So what is your target? You have to collecting the data for this particular target. What is our target? The computer should recognize the object. So for an example, we need to collecting the data for cup, for water bottle, for cell phone. Help of the this particular product features, it can be possible to train the computer. It can be possible to train the machine learning or deep learning algorithm. Once you collecting the data, the pre-processing is the most important thing. When I am going to do the pre-processing, that pre-processing will help to extracting the features of that. That is called it as we should finding the useful insights from that particular object or data. Okay. So after collecting this one, after pre-processing this one, we need to choose the machine learning or deep learning algorithm. Try to understand the machine learning and deep learning is a major important technology to teach the computer or train the computer. With the help of two different technology, one day it can be possible to train your computer with the help of the past data. Right? So for that, we have to feed the data to the machine learning or deep learning algorithm. Once you are going to choose the deep learning or machine learning algorithm, that particular deep learning and machine learning algorithm can get the data and training themselves, and it will be giving the results. When you are going to feeding the new data to the trained model, that will be predicted object. What kind of the object? Already we shown, already we had seen, right? Yeah. So now, yeah, the way of implementing AI. So already we discussed, that is machine learning and also the deep learning. Try to understand the machine learning and also the deep learning will help to train your computer with the help of the past data and also the algorithms. And you can see this one, the machine learning that gives the AI ability to learn. And this is done by using the algorithm to discover the pattern and generative insights from the data. And also one more thing, the deep learning is a subcategory of the machine learning, the same objective. Try to understand the machine learning and also the deep learning objective is same. That means we are going to teach the computer with the help of the past data. That's it. Right? Yeah. And what are the components of AI? Machine learning and also the deep learning. And what are the components? NLP, computer vision. That I will tell you, give the example of this one. Machine learning will help to teach the computer. Deep learning will help to teach the computer. Majorly the machine learning and also the deep learning will help to train your computer based on the data. For an example, it is a digital images or digital videos data. That time we can go for the deep learning technology. If it is a complex problem, that time we can go for the deep learning technology. Otherwise, we can go for the machine learning technology. So now I hope you guys are understood about what is the purpose of the machine learning and also the deep learning, and try to understand for artificial intelligence technology, the machine learning and also the deep learning is a major important factor. The major important things. And the machine learning and also the deep learning is without these kind of the technology, there is no artificial intelligence. Okay, right. And what about NLP? And what about computer vision? We have to talk about it. For an example, chatbot is the one of the best example for NLP. The NLP is nothing but natural language process. With the help of these particular technology, you can talk to the computer. You can interact to the computer. For example, maybe most of the people are user in Snapchat, right? Maybe you guys have had an experience on a Snapchat, right? I will tell the story of NLP example. Okay, I will tell the story of NLP example. Okay, right. So recently I was using that Snapchat AI. Okay, Snapchat AI. That is actually pretty good to see that one kind of the chatbot. If I send any picture to AI, that will be giving the good commands. If I say anything to the AI, that will be give the response. For an example, one day I had a conversation with the AI chatbot in Snapchat. Okay, just for understanding. I mentioned one thing, I'm feeling like very down. I don't want to talk to anyone, but I want to talk something, I want to share, like that I mentioned in that particular chat. That time the NLP said what kind of the word it can be understand, and it will tell the reply like, I'm here for you, you can talk anything to me, definitely I will help you, which you mentioned here. So that is the most important thing. This much evaluation is happened. Based on the content, the computer can reply for your message. Maybe you can try it. So I hope most of the people had an experience on Snapchat. Everyone is using, I thought. Even me also using the Snapchat day by day and sending some pictures to my friends, right? So if you guys are a user in a Snapchat in the sense, please mention in the raise your hands in comment box right now, and please try that AI. And one day I sent a message to AI, I love you, I want to talk to you more. So I said like that. And eventually that AI said to me, yeah, I love you, I would like to talk to you. And what about your mindset right now? These are all the things it can be possible to like that. Yeah, it is asking themselves, and that particular AI will talk anything. You can talk anything to them. That is the most important thing. That means NLP in the sense the computer can understanding human language. That is nothing but the NLP. For an example, speech recognition, chatbot. Based on your words, it's give the reply, right? and Jenny Komineni, how we can relate the data science with AI, ML, and deep learning. Yeah, everywhere in data science, Jenny Komini. For an example, machine learning in the sense, data science one part of machine learning. And deep learning, we need to data aggregation, we need to some data engineering process, and then that is data science. Okay, right. And what about computer vision? That is a much more interesting thing. I will show the example for this one also, one project. Computer vision is nothing but mimic like a human. For an example, camera is nothing but our eye. Deep learning algorithm, that is nothing but our brain. Once I am going to see the environmental, that is for human. Once I am going to see the environmental, I can recognize what is that exactly. I can recognize what is that exactly. How it can be possible? With the help of my eye, I can understand the environmental based on the features. In the same way, when you are going to accessing your camera, the camera can sending the information to the deep learning trained model. That particular deep learning trained model will send the information to the trained model. That will be going to be mapping the feature and it will be giving the reply. So we had discussed with object detection. We shown an example. When I show the in front of the camera in this particular bottle, based on the feature, it is going to be sent to the trained model. That particular trained model will giving the reply based on the features mapping. Okay, hope you guys have understood about this one. So I will show the example for the computer vision. So for an example, the computer can find the hand sign, and before that I will show the example of for an example, with the help of the computer vision and also the deep learning, the computer can recognize what kind of the gender of me and my age. It can be possible. Normally, our age can't be possible to recognize in very perfectly. For the human, it is not an easy task. Okay. So, for an example, what is my age? Now we are going to analyzing the several things. Okay. For human prediction, for computer prediction. Are you guys ready to analyzing this process? Are you guys ready? Guys, try to understand. Okay. Try to understand. Please be reply. You guys are very slow reply. I didn't expecting from you. So please give your reply. Then only this process can be done with perfectly. Otherwise, I will show the output and done this particular process. No problem. Are you guys ready to interact with me? No means I will show the output. Then we can go this. Yeah, I got one reply from Ma'am V Edits. Yes, my first question. So in this particular code will help to detecting the gender and also the age. That is a computer prediction. What about human prediction? So you can recognize and you can predict gender. Already we knows about it. Okay. So what is my age? You can give the reply in command box right now. So what is your prediction? Just give the range. After that I will show the result. What is your prediction? We are going to comparing the computer prediction and also the human prediction. What is my age? You can give the reply. After that we are going to show the output of this one. Any prediction? Any idea? Guys, what is my age? Any idea based on my appearance? The computer also can giving the reply based on my appearance. Yeah. Okay. So mom's a date 30. Oh, okay, fine. And 30 to 35. My God. And yes, 29. Okay. And Tamanna Mary 28 to 30. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll see the result. Okay. We'll see the result. What is the computer prediction? Okay, right. So now I'm going to run this particular code and you can see the output of this particular code as well. So I'm going to run this and most of the people are giving the different prediction. Okay, giving the different prediction, and you can see this one. Yeah, you can see this one, male 25 to 32. Okay, right. Yeah, 25 to 32 is the prediction. Okay, so actually my age is 28, so it is predicted right now, and you can see this one. So this is actually the prediction of computer. Okay, so most of the people giving the result, like the 30 to 35 and 28 to 30 and 28, 25 to 30. Okay, try to understand. Okay, try to understand. War Rowdy Gamer, good prediction, thank you. And Satak Kuntur, good prediction, thank you. If possible in this, I will be live 100 years, thank you. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. The age is actually a little more complicated to predict the age for the human as well. So that is why we have created the age range between 25 to 32. Okay, so in between this particular age it can be predicted. Okay, right. So here we should, what are the technologies behind that? What are the technologies behind that? That is deep learning and also the computer vision. Deep learning and also the computer vision. So what is the computer vision? The computer vision in this sense, it is going to be accessing the camera and reading the camera and sending the information to the trained model. That particular trained model is going to be mapping the features. Based on the features, it is going to be giving the result male and also the age. So this prediction can be possible with the help of the deep learning. These processes can be possible with the help of the computer vision. I hope you guys are really understanding about this one, right? Yeah, fine. So now I will show the real-time example, daily uses in AI. After that, I will give the another output of the code hand hash redaction. Okay, now you can watch the video. Who all are user and very familiar in Instagram, please raise your hands in comment box right now. Please raise your hands in comment box right now. So now I'm going to give the information daily uses AI integrated applications. So first one, Instagram. Who all are user in Instagram in the sense, please raise your hands in comment box right now. This particular example, a recommendation system, e-coms recommendation system. You can see this one. So while I'm taking this particular recording, screen recorder, and that time I was searched the baby product of my sister's daughter. Okay, of my sister's daughter, I tried to search something and it will be giving the results. This is a recommendation. You can see this one, baby dresses and baby dresses, multiple e-commerce website giving the recommendation to me while I am using the Instagram. But I was searched in Flipkart and also the Amazon Prime and gives the results like this. You can see this one more time. The recommendation is while I'm using the Instagram, it giving the results like this. You can see this. e-coms website number 1. Okay. And e-coms website number 2. Number 2. E-coms website number 4, 3. Yeah, this is all about this one. Okay. Now, Lens Code is one of the best application for computer vision and also the deep learning. Now we can see this one. This particular application is going to be recognizing my face. Turned on the camera, it is going to be recognizing my face and analyzing my face and finding the key points of my eye, and it is going to be measure my face measurements between the eyes also, and analyzing the 463 facial points. Based on the facial points, it will be result and it is going to be recommended for my face. Understood guys? Yeah, this is one of the best application, Lenskart and Google Map, already we knows that. And yeah, next Amazon and Netflix, you can see this one. I could watch several movies based on the music director, based on the actors, based on the casting. It is giving the recommendation to me. And you can see this one. This is my past histories. So based on the past histories, it's giving the good recommendation to me. And because of, you can see this one, because of you watched Ponniyin Selvan, so this is a recommendation to me, right? So this is for Amazon Prime. Next, I will show the example of the Netflix. I will show the example of the Netflix right now, and I can see this one. In this Netflix, I usually watch that Malayalam slang movies. So you can see this one, because of you watched Oru Thekkam Tallu case. So for that only, it is going to be giving the recommendation 90% Malayalam movie based on the language. You can see this one, Malayalam actors, Malayalam movies. Because of I watched the Malayalam movie in Netflix on that time. So for that, it giving the recommendation like this. Right now, I will be show this YouTube speech recognition is one of the best example for YouTube right now. And here I have searched that age of AI video. Okay, so once I'm going to play this particular video. Yeah, it is going to be play the videos. And based on the speech, it is going to be giving the transcript, and I can see this one.
Welcome to YouTube.
Yeah, he started speaking, the transcriptors will come. That is the speech recognition. That is also one kind of the application. Once I'm going to off the transcript, it is going to be gone. Okay, so he is speaking something.
Look back, technology.
And it shows the text based on the speaking, right? Yeah, this is actually one kind of the AI application, right? Next, I will be moved to the Snapchat. You can see this one, the Snapchat. This is actually like the recommendation system based on the NLP. You can see this one. If I enter hello, based on the hello content, it is going to be create the several meta sticker for me. You can see this one. Hey, hello, like that. So if I'm going to enter the good morning, yeah, good morning, and it is going to be entered the good morning based on the content is going to be creating the sticker. So that is also one kind of the AI recommendation system, and it gives the sticker like this. That is actually a recommendation of based on your content, based on the NLP technology. Okay, right. So enjoy, if I'm entering the enjoy, it gives the enjoy sticker like that based on my meta stickers, right? So next, yeah, Spotify, based on the genre of the music, based on the music director, based on the singer, it is going to be recommended. That's it. Okay, right. So these all are the applications. Finally, I will show the one kind of the application output. Are you guys ready to see the output of this one? Are you guys ready to see the output of this particular code? Velvili Saravanan. Sir, I don't register this course. Okay. Okay, fine. So are you guys ready to see this particular one of the like another hand gesture deduction? So finally, I will show the output of this one. Ready, guys? This is the last minute. So I will show the output of this one. Before show the output, I will share the review link to you. Okay. So guys, I shared the review link. Just go to this particular link. Okay. So go to this particular link. Okay. If you guys are really enjoying this particular session and very useful session in the sense, don't forget to give your reviews. That is most important things to continue this particular session as an energetic way for different participants also. Okay. So here, just click here and Yeah, just a minute. Once you go to this particular link, just click the Google reviews and just write a review here and give your stars. Okay, give you just a minute. Go to this particular page and go to the Google reviews and write a review. So once you're going to entering this one, give your star here. Okay, that is the most important thing. And just a minute. Yeah. So once you are going to see this one, we are expecting the 5 stars. So give your 5 star here and write the feedback of this particular session. That is the most important thing. So give your review here and write a review. That is the most important things for 1 hour session. That is very useful. How was your experience? How do you feel on this particular session? Please write your feedback here and give your stars of this particular session as well. So don't forget to give your reviews. That is the most important thing. So I will share the link to you guys. So use this particular link and give your feedback of this particular session. Yeah, so you can see this particular link and through this particular link write your feedback, give your feedback. That is most important things for us to giving the sharing the knowledge like this to different participants also. So I'm expecting your good review from you and you guys are really enjoying and really like this particular session. Please give your reviews. Okay, right. So now I will be show the output of hand gesture detection. Normally we knows what is that. This is what is this? Thumbs up. And what is this? This is thumb down. And what is this? This is peace and this is call me. Like that we knows. We can recognize. And the computer also can recognize in the sense what is that exactly. That is the most important thing, right? So I'm going to run this particular code and I will be show the demonstration of this particular code. To see the output. Yeah, it's taking the time to run it. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, fine. So now are you guys ready to follow me? So if I'm going to show the in front of the cam, you have to also give your reply. So that is a human prediction and computer prediction. We are going to compare. Okay. So if I'm going to using thumbs up, you can also should share the smiley like thumbs up and also the thumbs down. What I'm going to do that. Okay. Right. Ready. Thumbs up. The computer can recognize thumbs up here. Right, this is also one of the important application in artificial intelligence and very familiar application in artificial intelligence. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, and so I'm expecting you to give the reply for this one to follow me. Yeah, so this is actually like another thumbs down and call me. Okay, call me and call me and peace. And also the live long and stop. Okay, stop. And any other thing is missing? Thumbs down, call me, and rest, fist. Okay, right. So this is what the computer can be recognized. So I'm using these pre-trained model for recognizing this one. Thumbs up, thumbs down, call me, and rock. Okay, rock and peace, and also stop, and also the live long, and fist. Okay, that's it. So this is the recognition. This is called the hand gesture recognition. I hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. I hope so. This is all about today. So hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. Yeah, hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. So don't forget to give your feedback of this particular session. That is most important thing. And yeah, so thank you so much. I hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. Thank you so much. Any other queries from you? If you guys are really enjoying this particular session, please give your heart in comment box right now. Please give your heart in comment box right now. Okay, I'm expecting a reply. After that, we can wind up with this particular session. Okay, so thank you so much. All the best for your bright future. And so we share the review link. All the participants should give your reply on give your reviews on this particular session. That is most important thing. Okay, so please give your reviews, use that particular link and give the 5-star, and also they give your feedback on this particular session. That is most important thing. Okay, thank you all the best for your bright future. Have a great day. Bye bye.